MCQ number 1. The fourth state of matter is dash. Answer. Plasma. Question. The device used to convert alternate current into direct current is called. Answer. Rectifier. Question. In night when photosynthesis is stopped, plants dash. Answer. Give off carbon dioxide. Question. Dash are called the powerhouses of the cell. Answer. Mitochondria. Question. One of the countries through which equator passes is dash. Answer. Kenya. Question. Copper can be converted into gold by dash. Answer. Artificial radioactivity. Max Planck received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918 for discovery of dash. Answer. Energy quanta. Question. Bronze medal is made up of metals. Answer. Copper and tin. Question. Hummingbird. Hummingbird belongs to category called. Answer. Endotherm. Rectified separate contain alcohol about. Answer. 95%. Question. Which of the following elements is not present abundantly in Earth's crust? Answer. Radium. Question. The famous book Al-Qanun was written by the Muslim scientist. Answer. Abu Ali Sina. Question. Basic metal can be converted into gold by. Answer. Artificial nuclear radioactivity. Question. A light year is a unit of. Answer. Length. Question. One of the main function of the Earth's ozone layer is to. Answer. Filter out ultraviolet rays. Question. Person with following blood group are considered to be universal recipient. Answer. AB positive. Question. Study of life in outer space is known as dash. Answer. Exobiology. Question. The name of the common mineral salt present in sweet is. Answer. Sodium chloride. Question. Sensitive layer of the eye is. Answer. Retina. Question. Laughing gas has chemical composition of following two elements. Answer. Nitrogen and oxygen. Question. Dr. Abdul Salam of Pakistan was one of the contributors of the unification of dash. Answer. Electromagnetic force and a weak nuclear force. Question. Which triple in DNA code for valine? Answer. None of these. Question. Which of the following is not a part of Darwinism? Answer. Our production. Question. Rule of biotechnology in the production of food based on. Answer. Fermentation. Question. Which form of drug abuse involves most risk in infection with the HIV/AIDS virus? Answer: injection of heroin. Question: founder of modern astronomy was dash. Answer: Nicholas Copernicus. Question: the instrument which measure very high temperature is called? Answer: barometer. The science which deal with the study of manners and the custom of people is dash. Answer: ethnology. Question: chemical used to kill rats and mice are? Answer: rodenticals, rodenticides. Question: dry ice is dash. Answer: solid carbon dioxide. Question: chemical name of vinegar is dash. Answer: dilute acetic acid. Question: deficiency of following vitamin decrease hemoglobin production? Answer: peridoxine. Question: hygrometer is used for measuring the dash. Answer: humidity of air. Question: bronze is an alloy of? Answer: copper and tin. Question: which of the following is most elastic? Answer: steel. Question: orbital period of planet Mercury around the sun is dash. Answer: 88 days. Question: the most splendid and the most magnificent constellation of the sky is? Answer: Orion. Question: eugenic is the study of dash. Answer: altering human being by changing their genetic components. Question: the position of Earth in its orbit when it is at its greatest distance from the Sun, causing northern summer, is called? Answer: aphelion. Question: diamond is a very expensive ornament. It is composed of a single element. Answer: carbon.